Jupiter's transit into Gemini on 14th May is an important astrological event that will have specific significance for people based on the placement of Jupiter in their natal chart. If you already have Jupiter in Gemini, this transit is particularly significant for you, especially when Jupiter is within plus minus 5 degrees of your natal Jupiter. This is a return or a strong activation of your natal Jupiter. This cosmic alignment happens approximately every 12 years, offering a chance to reflect on the journey of the past cycle and plant seeds for the next phase of your life. Jupiter's expansive energy does not discriminate. It will amplify everything Gemini and Mercury signify, whether positive or negative. This means that both your strengths and weaknesses associated with these influences can grow during this transit depending on how you channel the energy. When Jupiter transits over your natal Jupiter in Gemini in the ascendant, that is in the first house, it heralds a period of personal growth, confidence, and self expansion. The first house governs your identity, physical appearance, and how you present yourself to the world, while Jupiter's expansive energy will amplify everything related to your sense of self. With Gemini's curious, versatile, and intellectual qualities, coupled with Mercury's influence as a ruler of Gemini, this transit encourages you to enhance your personal image and embark on new journeys that foster growth in both your outer life and inner world. One of the key themes of this transit is confidence and optimism. Jupiter's presence in the first house boosts your self belief and makes you feel more optimistic about your potential. Your personality and charisma may shine brightly, drawing others to you. This is an excellent time for self expression, and you may find yourself more comfortable in the spotlight or taking on leadership roles. Whether in social settings or in your career, you could experience increased attention and recognition as your presence becomes more influential. Gemini's influence enhances your intellectual curiosity, and you will likely find yourself more engaged in exploring new ideas, learning, or developing new skills. With Jupiter's expansive nature, this is a period of intellectual growth where your curiosity knows no bounds. You may feel inspired to pursue new educational opportunities, take up writing, or deepen your understanding of various subjects that excite you. The Mercury influence also encourages communication, so you might experience opportunities to express yourself more freely and persuasively, whether through public speaking, writing, or other forms of self expression. This transit can also be quite beneficial for your physical health. Jupiter's energy brings vitality and an overall sense of well being, and in the first house, it often supports physical regeneration and improvement. If you have been thinking about adopting a new health routine, starting a fitness program, or working on your appearance, this is a good time to take action. You might find that you have more energy than usual and are motivated to take better care of yourself. Moreover, this transit is excellent for reinventing your image. You may feel compelled to make changes to your personal appearance, style, or how you present yourself to others. Jupiter's expansive energy can lead to significant transformations, and you may feel a strong urge to express yourself more authentically. This could include a change in your wardrobe, hairstyle, or even how you engage with the broader world in a broader sense. However, with Jupiter's tendency to amplify everything, there are few challenges to watch out for. Overconfidence or an inflated sense of self can sometimes be a drawback during this transit. While it's a time of positive self expression, there is a risk of becoming too self centered or even egoistical. It's essential to remain grounded and not let the positive energy go to your head. Be cautious of becoming overly boastful or putting too much focus on superficial aspects of your appearance or identity. However, Jupiter's expansive energy can also magnify challenges. Gemini's dual nature and Mercury's analytical tendencies can lead to overthinking and scattered energy. Jupiter will expand this tendency, which may result in delays, incomplete projects, or restlessness that hinders your ability to follow through on plans. There is also the risk of over optimism and exaggeration. Jupiter's tendency for overexpansion can lead to unrealistic expectations, overconfidence, or promises you may struggle to keep. Gemini's communicative energy combined with Mercury's quick wittedness may make you prone to talking too much or exaggerating your capabilities, which can backfire. Additionally, Jupiter can amplify Gemini and Mercury's negative traits such as superficiality, gossip, and inconsistency, which could lead to misunderstandings or damage to your reputation. It is essential to be mindful of how you present yourself to others during this transit to avoid coming across as boastful or overly critical. Additionally, Jupiter in the first house can sometimes bring excessive optimism or overambition, leading to unrealistic expectations and what you can achieve. You may set high goals for yourself during this period, but it's important to remember that while Jupiter amplifies possibilities, it does not always guarantee easy success. Make sure to temper your enthusiasm with practical planning and realistic assessments. Health challenges such as overindulgence in food due to nervousness and cravings associated with Gemini's energy might also arise. This could result in digestive issues or weight gain. Weight gain is nothing but expansion of body cells if not managed carefully. In conclusion, Jupiter's transit over your natal Jupiter in Gemini in the ascendant, that is in the first house, is a period of self expansion and personal transformation. It offers a significant boost to your confidence, charisma, and intellectual growth, as well as enhancing your physical health and overall well being. This transit encourages you to express yourself more fully, pursue new ideas, and reinvent your personal image. However, be mindful of overconfidence, a scattered focus, or unrealistic expectations. With conscious effort, this transit can help you grow into a more confident, empowered version of yourself.